This, if you're looking for a very long lasting and sweet scent, go for this. Hey guys, good morning. So today is on Thursday. Yeah. Yeah, today is on Thursday. It's around 9:50, and I wanted to give you this update of these perfumes that I got. As I said, this one was a gift from my niece. That's how it looks. This, if you're looking for a very long lasting and sweet scent, go for this. Go for this. It's what I wore yesterday, and I can tell you I still smell my clothes giving that sweetness from the clothes I had yesterday. So yeah, today I want to try out this one. Oh, and for this I'm gonna leave the notes right here or right here, depending. So I hope this one is also as long lasting as this one, because I love this one. But this one is not giving grown-up vibes. It's giving a young adult, I would say. It's giving a young adult vibes because of the sweetness. As I said, sweetness. This is my first sweet scent, but I did have Gucci Envy that smells close to this, as in the sweetness it's giving, it's close to this. And that one I had when I was in college, the Gucci Envy. But anyway, this one I would put it in that same category. But if you're looking for a sweet scent, this is amazing. This is amazing and lasts all day. So I wanted to do this with you guys because I know I've been getting so many questions. I'm also going to leave the notes of this one. This is giving adult vibes. I don't like going with perfumes at the back of my ear because I feel they irritate me. But let's see how this is citrusy. I can smell some citrusyness to it. Other than that, it's very clean. It's not as sweet as the other one. Anyway, let's hope the dry down, I'm going to love it as much as I loved the dry down of this other one. But still, when it's still wet, it was also amazing. So this one I have this will be my go-to scent when I want to feel girly, like a young girl, because we are growing old. I don't know, this I don't love it as much when it's wet. Good morning, happy Monday. So yesterday I was recording another video that I didn't manage to record, only because my camera decided to act up. I thought I had charged the batteries, but anyway, this is a new week. It's a beautiful Monday morning and I want to go to town. My hair is freshly washed. I'm just out of the shower, washed it. I need to go blow dry it in town, either blow dry or get in the dryer, and then install the tracks because it's a protective style. Yeah, I'm tired with my hair looking like this, so I need it to have a little bit more volume to it. And then what else? Maybe I'm going to refilm that video that I did do in the course of this week, hopefully. But I'm kind of excited to to go to work this morning. I don't know why. Since last week I've been having this surprisingly beautiful mood to go to work, like on a daily. Like last week I only missed on Monday, but then the rest of the days I was showing up. So that's an amazing thing. Yeah, and then I also need to go look for a battery for, not a battery, I need to go look for a charger for this camera, because I can't have it doing that to me ever again. Like not film because my both my batteries, because I have two, are dead. That I can't have that anymore. And then yeah, we will see how the week goes. All in all, I also need to do cleaning video. I need to declutter my kitchen and then do another Kamukonji video of things you should never buy in Kamukonji because they are absolutely trash. And then I also need to do a cleaning video for my bathroom and also redecorate the bathroom, because I can't have it looking like that anymore. And then what else is there to do? I had thought I would do a DIY mirror for this room, but that's not going to happen this month, probably early next month, because of some inconveniences that I'm having right now. And yeah, by the way guys, if you are looking for a very sweet perfume, this is the perfume today. I want to feel more sweetness. when I put on this perfume, something nice happens. So yeah, I probably think this is my good luck perfume. So that's what I'm going to put on today. And then usually I don't do what I wore this week, this day, mostly because I wear the same kind of clothes. You will always find me in jeans and tops and kimonos. So yeah, but I'm thinking of changing that very soon. I'm thinking of getting more dresses for me this year. Skirts, not really to go to town, but maybe for church, because I do have a few skirts for church. But yeah, other than that, I haven't picked the camera since last week, I believe on Thursday, I think, something of the sort, but only because I've been getting home really tired and leaving the house really early. Like today, it's not yet, it's 8:12 right now. So yeah, when I leave this early, I don't do any videos, any sit down videos, any kinds of videos, apart from maybe showing you guys what I've gotten in the course of the week. So yeah, what else do I need? Oh, I need to carry this because in the evenings it's been very chilly, or it gets really cold. So yeah, let me go to work. And then yeah, I didn't transfer any videos from the camera because the camera didn't have charge, and I usually transfer them at night. So yeah, but I managed to charge this battery at night. I don't even know what happened, but I just saw a light. Usually it lights when you're charging it, but normally it refuses to charge completely when I do it directly through the phone. So yeah, I'm hoping tomorrow I'll have a new video up. Other than that, that's it. Let me catch you later. Yeah, I'm going to catch you later because I have a few clients today who need to see me. So I'm not even going to do anything to my brows because yeah, because I'm going to see you later. See ya. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey. If you're a returning subscriber, hello, welcome back. And yeah, so just now is when I'm getting back home. And I have these things that I got from the supermarket just because I didn't have anything for breakfast tomorrow, and I want to do something. I want to cook something because the kids obviously have closed to school. So I got some smokies, and then I got this pack of bacon. These are things that I hardly buy, only because they are unhealthy to me. Not to everyone, but they are unhealthy because they are processed foods. I prefer my ndomas, my ngwashes, bread if need be. Yeah. So I also have this beef bronze. I've been buying this, I think you've been seeing, but I've never bought the chicken bronze, so this will be the first time I'll be trying this one out. And then I restocked on my yeast because I didn't have yeast. What else did I get? I wonder why supermarkets do this when you buy sausages. It pisses me off, but no choice. Anyway, and then I got these sausages from Choice Meats. And the final thing that I got was Vesca juice because I felt like I needed to drink some pina colada. I love this thing. It's the pina colada one. I love this one. So yeah, but the only thing that I wanted to get were these ones for making breakfast. So we'll make breakfast tomorrow in the morning, so watch out for that. See you.